Okay, and now the last thing is put the curved torus in right in around here, and I've found that's a little tricky. Let me see if I can do it this time. So what we have to do, I believe this is another sketch that gets involved with this. We're going to create a torus, and it says select the geometry, and I'll try that. Set the center point, so let's go look back here. There, we'll zoom in. You can see I've got the center point focused, and I've turned off the snap to the grid. All right, we go out, and one thing that I want to do is go out to about here. No, the outer one. There we go. However, it does a lot of weird stuff, okay? So if I go back up here where I can see what's going on, you can see it's too big in diameter. And this is too big. But I also want to adjust this. Probably the best way is say, okay, now I've got that. But you can see it's all wrong. Come back, and there may be a better way to do this, but edit. Ah, there's the little error. Maybe that was there before. But what I want to do is zoom it in so that goes there, okay? And then now I want to get this. Let's go look at the back. I want to get this to go there. Once again, let's come up here. And that's beginning to look right. What it's cutting, and so I tell it cut. And there's our curvature. Let's do an inspection, make sure that that to there needs to be 0.5. That's so my thing is a little bit too deep. So we should be able to go back here and go edit feature, and we'll bring this back a little. Maybe a better way to do this. And let's look at inspect, measure. That's a little thick. I don't understand. There's probably a better way to do this out of using math, but for now this is good enough to demonstrate that we've actually been able to put that curved surface in. Oh, I see what the problem is. All right, turn the sketch back on. Let's go edit this feature, and what we need see, there's our little the curve should end at a slightly different spot. There we go. So we've brought the curve and it stopped on that ring. If we go back to the back, let's see if it's, turn on the sketch. I want to edit this, and this part has to go out. And I think the other one has to come in. Right to there. Try one more time. Edit this feature to that. And that's what we wanted. I think we can tell it delete all features after the history marker. There we go. All right, sorry to take so long, but now you can see the curve, which I believe is like the real thing. And the curve stops at the first curve. So if we turn this back around to the back, you can see, the curve's supposed to come out to here, as you see. Edit feature. Bring this out to here. But we have to edit the depth. Oh, well, it looks right now. There we go. Look at the back. That's what we want. Sorry this took so long. Turn off the sketch. Go back out here. Go back around here. There you go. Alright, so the bottom line is I actually got everything fixed. There's a little fiddling going on, and it's something that you'll eventually learn. But you can see here, turn the sketches off. You can see it. Actually, we can go in here if we want, and we take and turn off the layout grid. And now you can actually see this item better. There's our pockets. There's our screw inserts. LED. Right here is the LED pockets. And I had a little problem with these. For some reason they suddenly stuck out. I don't know why. It was like maybe these didn't get pushed to the pocket level and then further. But anyway, bottom line is this looks like a finished product. There's the curvature with the toroid. That took a little bit of fiddling. The best thing was to turn to kind of a view at an angle like this. And so when you're messing with this toroid, you've got two arrows that will adjust the diameter and position and all that. And that's what I used until I got it adjusted to where these things are supposed to end. Anyway, that's pretty much what we want to do. And look at this. There's one sketch. And I think that's pretty cool. And once again, if we go back around, there you can see how I did the toroid on the sketch 1 body, and it didn't create another sketch. So there's a little fiddling around practice that you have to do, but we can get there, and we have a nice clean drawing, and it's got all of the items. Although I didn't repeat all of the items where they needed to go, at least you have the idea of what I was getting at. Hopefully this will help you some. Talk to you later.